Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be working on unique number of occurrences. And it's a pretty easy problem. You're given an array and you just want to return if the number of occurrences of each value of the array is unique or false otherwise. So in this first one, 1 has 3 occurrences, 2 has 2, and 3 has 1. So this is true. In this one, 1 has 1 and 2 has 1. And in this one, they're also unique. So basically what you got to do is you got to get the count of all of these things. So -3 would have 3. 0 would have 2, 1 would have 4, and 10 would have 1. Then you just got to make sure in order for all these counts to be unique, you just go through all the counts and you make sure you haven't seen this before, right? So you can use a hash set to do that. So basically just go through all of these counts, this like 3, 2, 4, 1 in any order and make sure there are no duplicates, right? So are there duplicates in this array? If yes, return false. If no, return true. And that's basically it. So we can code it up. So essentially what you want to do is you want to get the counts of everything. And in Python, like I said before, there's a counter for this. So you can say counts equals counter. You pass in an array. And what this will do is it will be a dictionary of every number in the array and its count. Then what you want to do is you want to go through the values in count and make sure they're unique. And there's a really easy way to do this. So you can actually just say return length of counts. So let's say you have like 4 variables. If they all have unique counts, this dictionary will be length 4. And so what you can say is we'll just make a set out of all the values. And if there are duplicate values, the length of that set will be less than the length of this counter. So for example, if I had 4 variables with counts like 1, 2, 3, 4, then the set of values would be length 4, just like this counter. But if the values were like 1, 2, 2, 3, then the length of the set would be 3, which would be different than the length of this counts. So you could say return length counts equals length of a new set with the values out of this. So like this. And so this does work. And obviously there's like another way to write this. So if you want to do like a more verbose one, you can make a set. So you can say like, let's actually just do this here. So you could say like uniques equals set, and then you can just loop through all the values, right? So you could say like for val in counts dot values, if val in uniques return false, and then add it to the set, right? So it's basically the same exact thing. So you could say uniques dot add val, and finally at the end return true. So either one of these is fine. They're basically equivalent. So whatever your preference is, totally fine. So yeah. Okay. So we'll go with the second one, but like I said, either one is good. So yeah. I don't know if this is indented correctly. There we go. Okay. And yeah, so pretty easy one. Just basically find duplicates in your values of a hash map. Pretty easy. So the time here is just O of n because we're looping through the array and then we're looping through the values, which is worst case O of n, if every value is unique. And the space is O of n as well because this counts will be worst case O of n if every single value in the array is unique, right? Let's say your values are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, whatever, up until the length of the array, then this counts will have every single value. So worst case O of n. And yeah, I think that's going to be all for this one. So hopefully you liked it. And if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.